And in today's episode, we're still working on the Porsche. And Craig is still struggling like a goof. Alrighty guys, so in the previous video you guys saw that we were running the wires out of the hood here, and we're still on doing that. There is a grommet right there in the firewall that allows us to go ahead and install the wires through the firewall. The bulkhead, as some of you guys might call it. We got here the grommet. We're going to go ahead and cog a hole in this as to get those wires ran through this, and then we can put it back in the firewall. Alrighty, so we're going to get the battery back in the hole here and show you what that looks like after. Got to mount this circuit breaker as well. So we got some of the wires running out of this other grommet behind this air box looking jab here. So we're going to go ahead now and reassemble pretty much all of the under the hood, put all the paneling back in, get our wires ran to this location here. Got some MDF behind the truck there, inside the bed of the truck. So we're going to go ahead and just get all this stuff situated, get our battery back in the hole, and show you what that looks like after. Alrighty boys, skipping forward a little bit here. Had to get some work done, you know. Got the head unit all hooked up. Power cabling's done there. Got all of our power cabling and everything else for the amplifier ready to be hooked up underneath the hood here. I had to extend some of these wires and make an amp rack. So we are going to do that now. Alright boys, so everything's all kind of prepared here. Got the amp right there. I am in the process of making an amp rack. It's just a nice pressure fit MDF. And we're just going to wrap some black carpet on that and place it on the trunk floor. Obviously no drilling holes in the floor there. And then we'll mount the amplifier and the crossovers. Pretty big crossovers there, so amplifier will go in the middle here, crossovers on the left and right. And we have to extend some of those wires still, which are under the hood of that thing here. So we'll go ahead and get this amp rack all kind of situated, and we'll get back at you. Alrighty guys, so the amplifier and all of the wiring is all done here. Give you guys a close-up of that. Everything's nicely zip tied into place. Eventually, I think what we'll end up doing is building a nice cover panel for that, covering it all up, even though it is quite nice looking. Went through the hassle of Tessa taping and expandable sheathing, pretty much everything underneath of this hood here. So yeah, it sounds absolutely fantastic. I will assure you of that. Got everything all hooked up underneath of here. JL logos on the doors. Dash kit's all appropriated. USBs are beside the seat there. Everything looks kosher and beautiful, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing. Please, if you're watching this, subscribe. Does me a favor, does you a favor, gets you more videos, gets me more videos. And yeah, so anyhow, I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one. And if you guys need any help with your Porsche, please give us a call at 519-686-5555. Man, that sounds like an ad.